Hello and welcome to the channel. I know that it's been a very long time since I've made a video, which is something that I'm going to talk about. But today I wanted to show you a plane that somebody has completely made from the ground up. And the whole premise of this is follow your dreams. So I bought this plane at the asking price, and it is made by Jeff Self through Self-Made USA. He makes everything. Casting the body, casting the cap, making the iron, making the chip breaker, the totes and the knobs, the depth adjuster. I believe he makes everything. He might not make the screws, that I'm not completely sure of, but again, he makes everything from the ground up. Now, for why I haven't made YouTube videos in such a long time, if you've been following along with me on either Facebook or Instagram, and I think even on this channel, you'd know that I started an organization called Plain Wellness. We are a nonprofit that offers virtual and in-person woodworking courses. These courses can be free to adults and veterans with a diagnosis or disability, including disability ratings from the VA. Now, that mission has taken off so well that it has essentially become a full-time job on top of the full-time job that pays my bills. I do not take a paycheck from Plain Wellness. I'm essentially volunteer, but my day consists of about 12 to 18-hour days on the computer. So I really had to choose. Did I want to keep making YouTube videos, or did I want to advance the mission that is helping hundreds of people across the world? We are now a worldwide organization. I think we've been in 7 different countries or have had students from 7 different countries. And clearly, it was personal gain versus the mission, and I had to go with the mission. So that's why I haven't been making so many YouTube videos, but stick with me because eventually, Plain Wellness will become my full paid-time job, and I'll be able to leave my other job, which would open up some more time so I can get back to making YouTube videos because I do miss it, and I miss you guys, so keep an eye out. Now, about this plane, Jeff fully knows that I'm going to give an honest review of this plane because I did need to put some work into it, so I want to briefly review that with you. I did need to flatten the bottom, which was not an issue when you were taking heavy shavings, but when I wanted to take light shavings, I could tell that it was slightly out of flat. Now, this is bronze, so it took me no time at all. He does use a special type of bronze that's a little bit harder than bronze, but you'll need to go to his Facebook page and watch his videos to see what types of metals because I was too enamored with this plane to dive into all that. So, flattening the bottom took no time at all. The other thing that I needed to do was fix the chip breaker, which is a common thing that I've seen from multiple makers or people that try to adjust the chip breakers themselves. It has a slight undercut to it. The light test and the paper test won't show it because there is contact with the chip breaker to the iron all the way across. So paper won't shine or paper won't go through, light won't shine through. But there is just enough of an undercut that shavings will get caught right there and clog up the mouth. So I just needed to fix that. The tote also has a crack in it, which is something that I'm going to fix. Now, he did offer to send me a new tote, but I told him no because the grain on this tote is gorgeous. And I didn't want to get a different tote that had different grain on it because I really like this one. And the crack is right along a dark spot of this rosewood, so I'm thinking I can just use some black Star Bond and blend that right in and nobody's going to notice at all. The depth adjuster is a little bit wonky, which is something that I can't fix, and he is trying to get a mill to fix this because what happened, I think, is that when the tap went in, it was not perfectly 90 degrees, and you can tell that when you're trying to make fine adjustments to it. So he's looking to get a mill so he can make sure that's perfectly 90 degrees. And on that note, I don't want any of these things to take away from the fact that he made this from the ground up. I believe everything but the screws. He casted everything. He is following his dream and doing this. And now that I tuned those small things, which were small things, it's amazing. It functions amazing. Cherry, no issues. Maple, no issues. Ipe. Because if you follow the channel, you know that I love testing things on Ipe. It handled Ipe like a champ. And his iron, it's only 01. And it did a phenomenal job on that Ipe. I didn't get any tear out. It was taking nice thin shavings. It held a good edge. I am highly, highly impressed with the quality of that iron. Now, I should say that I did pay his asking price for this plane. Every year when I get my tax return, yes, I get a tax return. I'm not a millionaire like some of you people like to think I am. I also should note that I did pay for this plane. I paid his asking price for this plane. I'm not going to tell you what that is because I think he's going to raise his prices because I told him when he told me the price, I said, that's a little low. You could probably be asking for more. So I don't want to tell you what the price is because if he raises it, I don't want you guys yelling at me. I will note on the price, just remember, it's completely handmade. So if you're thinking it's going to be the cost of a bench dog or Handtools or something like that, think higher. So I highly recommend following Jeffrey Self on Facebook and just follow along with his progress, because I've been following him, I think, for a couple years now. He started making draw knives and maybe chisels and some other things, and now he's advanced into making planes. And I've just had a lot of fun watching his progress and watching him follow his dream, which again is the point of this video. If you have a dream, follow it. Dive in head first, have fun. Self-made Jeffrey had a dream. He is following it, and he is doing a fantastic job with this. It's just so cool to think that somebody in their shop, a one-man shop, made this. And I also followed my dream with Plain Wellness, and you can see how well that mission is taken off. So again, if you have a dream, follow it. Keep it fun, because you have to have fun. If you're not having fun, what's the point? So alright, if you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll be back. Stick with me. Bye.